Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. We've got an awesome combo to do today. Look what I got my hands on right here. This is House of Color Pagan Gold Candy. I've never used gold candy before. I've honestly never even seen gold candy before. I am so excited to try this out. The question, of course, what do we spray gold candy over? Well, I've thought about this a lot over the past day or so, and I think I got the perfect color. We're gonna spray the gold candy over burnt copper alloy. This pearl is freaking awesome. We haven't used it in a video in years. It's amazing. This with gold candy, it should be freaking sweet. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but I am so happy with the way this one came out. I was hoping that the gold candy was gonna add some extra depth, add some gold flare in the sun to an already amazing burnt copper alloy color. It did everything I wanted and more. I wish we would have done this on one of my personal cars. I love it. Do you love it? We're gonna take it outside right now. You know what to do in the comment section below. Rate this color 1 through 5. I can't wait to see what you guys think. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. A ton of colors and kits to choose from. Thanks for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video.